got my 5VM carbon fiber front splitter from Alpha Speed Components. Should just bolt right in, take off the original screws from the Z51 plastic splitter, and then hopefully these will screw right in. So we'll do the unboxing, install, and review. Stay tuned. This is also the one-piece splitter. There's a lot of different vendors out there for this part. Some sell it in 1, 2, or even 3 pieces. So just be cognizant when you're ordering. Make sure you're aware of which one you're getting. Beautiful, lightweight carbon fiber spoiler here. Yeah, visually it's gonna make a huge difference. And then weight wise as well. So looking forward to getting this on. Alright, this splitter does require drilling. Good thing about it is all the holes are pre-marked. So you can just take a T15 drill bit or a 1/8 inch and drill in the pre-marked spaces, and it should line up perfectly with the original one. The size drill bit you want to use for drilling the holes in the splitter is 3/16. So what I'm doing now is removing all of these torque screws from the bottom of the original splitter. All around here, I believe there's 21 of them. Okay, we got the old splitter off. They are indeed 21 holes. So next step is just to get the new one on. Got it lined up. We'll just put all of these screws back in, and we'll be good to go. Alright, that is it, folks. The front splitter is in. Looking great. Beautiful fitment. Yeah, that really gives a much more aggressive look. I'll have to get some better footage during the daytime.